This delicious coconut rice and beans recipe is from our Jamaican Friends cookbook. For this recipe, you'll need to use dried beans. Check for stones, rinse, then soak the beans overnight. Canned beans won't work for this recipe. Chop 4 green onions, then mince 3 garlic cloves. Chop half a green pepper in half and de-seed. Now quarter a Scotch bonnet or habanero pepper. Remove the seeds with the aid of a fork. Don't touch it with your hands. Chop finely and set aside. When the beans have been soaked, rinse and strain them and pour into a large pot. Add 1 can of coconut milk. Shake it well first. Add water and bring to a boil. Don't add any salt at this point, as that will slow down the cooking of the beans. Once the mixture is boiling, add the green onions, garlic, green pepper, and chili pepper and fresh thyme. Turn down to low and simmer. Stir often for 15 minutes so the liquid doesn't boil over. Then continue cooking for another 15 to 30 minutes until the beans are soft. Once you've added the beans to cook, you can wash the rice. We used basmati. You can use any long grain rice. Add the rice to a bowl followed by cold water and move the rice around with your hands. This removes a lot of the starch and prevents the rice from sticking together. Now strain the rice. Wash and strain 3 times. Now the water is much clearer. Set aside and let the water drain out completely. After they've been cooking for 30 minutes, take out a bean and eat it. If it's soft, it's ready. If not, cook longer and check again. Add the rice to the pot along with a half teaspoon of salt and stir. Cover and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, check and see if all the liquid has evaporated. If there is liquid left, cook for another 5 minutes and check again. Don't stir the rice. Once it's ready, you can gently fluff it with a fork. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Take out the thyme branches and the bits of green pepper. The rice and peas is ready to serve. Enjoy! If you liked our Jamaican rice and beans recipe, you might like this one too.